Well, tinignan ko sa Google yung mga nasa kaharian ni Lord. Halimbawa, si Hulk Hogan, o kilala niyo si Hulk Hogan. He died at the age of 71. Isa pang artista, kilala, lumabas ito sa Top Gun, Batman, Kiss Kiss Bang Bang, Val Kilmer. He died at the age of 66. Then you have Connie Francis. Connie Francis, very famous actress. She died at 87. James Dean. James Dean died at the age of 23. Very young, 23. Pero isang very famous football player, si Diogo Jota. Football player internationally known. He died at the age of 28. Gloria Romero died at the age of 92. Ricky Davao died at the age of 64. Haji Alejandro, 71. But Rico yan, he died at 27. Julie Vega, twice Best Famous Actress, Child Actress, Julie Vega. He died at the age of 16. So, nung tinitingnan ko ito, sabi ko, oo nga, walang parang set age para ma-encounter si Lord sa coming ni Lord, no? Iba-iba. Hindi ko lang alam kung mga ito ay alam nila na yun na yung time that they will meet the Lord. So from 71, 92, tapos yung isa, 16, 16 years old. Yung isang bata, may nag-confess sa akin, 12 years old. After confession, nakita ng mga magulang, nagsasayaw at lukso ng lukso. Tinanong siya, oh, bakit nagsasayaw ka? Ano nangyari sa iyo? Kasi sabi niya, nag-confess ako kay Father. Very light yung penas na binigay sa akin. Isang Hail Mary lang. Kaya sila nagtatalon, sayaw-sayaw. 12 years old. After 1 week, tumawag yung relative, Father, nasa funeral parlor na po yung nag-confess sa inyo. 12 years old. Nabangga ng motorcycle. 12 years old, Of course, not counting yung mga babies na namatay. So, yeah. Naisip ko, what about me? Kailan ko may encounter si Lord kaya? Sabi ni Lord sa Gospel, nobody knows when you are going to encounter the Lord. Kaya tama yon yung sa Gospel last Sunday, gather for yourselves treasures in heaven while I am alive. While I am alive. So dito pumasok yung sinabi ni Snoopy kay Charlie Brown. Sabi ni Snoopy, Charlie Brown, we die only once, but we live every day. So sa gospel na ito, nakita ko yung importance ng every day. Each day should be counted, no? Sabi nga nung isang poem, look to this day for it is life, the very life of life. Ang ganda. So, this reminds me again, while still living, hindi ko alam kailan magwawakas, and yet I have to live every day by day, sabi nga ni Rani, by doing the right thing, by doing what God wants me to do. So that when the time comes, I can say to the Lord, present Lord, I am here. End of sharing.